Good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to another video. And this morning, I'll traditional rice and peas. But the peas I'll be using will be Jerusalem peas, otherwise known as Christmas peas. Alright? So I don't have my coconut cut up already. So I'm gonna go ahead, blend up my coconut and set on my peas. And when you cook your Jerusalem rice and peas, you can serve it with any meat you want, but me will be serving my one with ackee and pork and Barbie fried chicken. So stay tuned, as me say, and watch what I go on, and remember to subscribe, share, like and comment. Alright, I'm using Jerusalem peas. We're gonna go ready at Christmas time, you see it? Yes, so I have it washed already. Put this soap, so I'm go add it to my pot and thing. Yeah man. And get him up and running. Just half handful and your rice pretty. So I'll go ahead now and prepare my little pimento berries and my garlic to put in it. I have them washed already, but I'm going to show you how I do it, alright? So you don't know my bag here wash already. Let me pimento berries, yeah. Then now I go add in my garlic into it, alright. Yeah man, and time like this. Yeah man, and cut off here so. Then I have another bag already that's clean also. So I go put it in like this and get a cup. And pounding up. Yeah man. If you want to, you can blend the pimento berries and put it in the bag and pour up the bag for the juice of the pimento berry come out in the peas when it a boil and things. So if you go me do it, and then me put it out of this bag. Yeah man, and me just get a fork, punch it up like this. Yeah man. Thing in the rice, you know. Me not like it from me small, so me have it. When I cook my rice and peas, I put my pimento berry in a bag and get out the flavor out of it. See it there? Yeah, so it set man, so it look. Yeah. Jerusalem peas, Christmas peas, what you all want man. The authentic peas also, you know, because this is a special peas. Man, mostly Christmas time I see this peas here. If you even plant it in April, May, at Christmas, yeah, get it. Yeah man, I saw it things set man. So I put him on the stove and as him a boil and thing, show me what I go on. See when I pot look? Yeah man. So I just sink my peas here now. Yeah. Yeah man. See color it getting red? Yeah man. I'm gonna add in my juice and one thing. Alright. Alright. Don't know what's I think going on man. Yes people, I'm going to add in some salt in it. So make the juice and the salt combine and boil together in the peas. Alright, you don't know a thing go. Yeah man. When you come to a full boil now, we will show you the next step, alright? Alright. I'm going to add my rest of juice here now and thing. Yeah, rest of juice, and then I go season him up and put in my rice. Alright. Alright. I go put in my thyme, add in my scallion, add in my pepper, then I go add in some salt now to bring up the taste. Yeah, the salt bring up the taste. Alright. Alright. Right there, so people. No one, no more salt. So I need my rice and so forth. I put him down and make him boil for 5 minutes. Then I add in my rice. So me I go give me rice 3 wash, alright? You don't know how it thing go. Me dey pick out little of them here, we pick them out, yeah man. So whatsoever leave, water, we bring it up and we take it out and thing and do the rice a 3 wash. So stay tuned and watch what I go on the bag, alright? Yeah man, you see red and everything, yeah man. Just a little handful of the peas and your rice. Ready, you see it look? Alright, I'll go ahead and now add in my rice, alright? No more salt, so I'm gonna make it just boil for 5 more minutes and in my rice and so forth. Me now add no butter to it because the coconut milk is already doing its work. So I'm gonna cover him down and make him boil for 5 minutes, then me add in my rice. So me I go give me rice 3 wash, alright? You don't know how it thing go. We dey pick out little of them here, we pick them out, yeah man. So whatsoever leave, water, we bring it up and we take it out and thing and do the rice a 3 wash. So stay tuned and watch what I go on the bag, alright? Yeah man, you see red and everything, yeah man. Just a little handful of the peas and your rice. Ready, you see it look? Alright, I'll go ahead and now add in my rice, alright? Go ahead and add in my rice and thing and give it a stir. It looking. Yeah, right amount of liquid in the pot. You know, use spoon to stir rice, you know, because it go make it get too starchy. And you don't want too much starch in the pot because it will become saggy when it starts to steam. So you don't want if you just use a fork, give it a little stir and put on back your cover and make him go on boil. Yeah man, that's how it things set man. See if fork stand up in it. See if fork stand up, yeah man, that's how it go in there. Have the right amount of water in your rice pot, alright? Alright, make him go and take him one time, go and bubble. Yeah man. Alright, so I'm going to turn it down and out because all of the juice come out of the pot now. Yes, I'm going to give him a stir now. Yeah man. Don't know anything go man. I'm done stir him, so I'm going to take out this scallion and thyme. Yeah man, I'm going to take them out. You don't know? Yeah. Take them out and thing. Yeah. I'm going to leave my pepper and thing. Yeah man. They're pretty. I just cover him up and now and make him go and steam out. Don't know it thing go. Take a good look at it. Yeah man, see it? Real shelly. Now comes out the far Ah, you see it? Yeah, man. Traditional Jerusalem peas, this man, where you can cook for the holiday, your Christmas, your Boxing Day, New Year's. Yeah, man. And me use coconut, me use is 80% dry, not 100%. So you give that cream and so forth, man. You see your rice looking good? Yeah, man. And try when you stir up your rice not to burst the pepper. It's not really hot, because it's a green pepper. You don't know you can have this with any form of meat. Your ackee and pork, your ackee and saltfish, your baked chicken, your jerk chicken, your brown stew pork. You can go anything, man, because trust me, man, look at it. Look at it. Real shelly. See there? Yeah, man. Back then they call it a Christmas rice or a Jerusalem rice and peas. I don't know anything, but so you see it here? The traditional rice and peas, but it's Jerusalem peas. You know, as Christmas peas, yeah, man. So that's how it looking now. So they serve it with any meat they have. So I serve my one with Barbie fried chicken and some pork and ackee. Yeah, man, with raw veg and some fruit juice. You don't know, star fruit, June plum, ginger. You see it? So you don't know anything, man. Traditional Christmas pea. Yeah, man, see your rice look? Yeah, man. So you think set up, man. Don't know, man. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Peace. I'm out.